Good morning, this is Dr. Tarek. Today I am going to talk about some important medical terms. I begin with cardiomegaly, enlargement of the heart, angina pectoris, chest pain, angina is pain, pectoris is chest, myocardial infarction, infarction is death, myocardial is muscle of the heart, so death of the muscle of the heart, commonly known as myocardial infarction or MI. Coronary angioplasty. These blood vessels they supply blood to the heart, muscle of the heart, and they encircle the heart like crown encircle the head. That's why they are named as coronary blood vessel. So if we have to do some surgical repair on this blood vessel. This is known as coronary angioplasty. Osteomalacia, softening of the bone. Atherosclerosis, hardening and ankylosing. Sinusitis, infection in the sinus. Sinus is a cavity in the bone. Rhinorrhea, runny nose, fluid discharge from the nose. Dysmenorrhea, painful menstrual flow. Painful menstrual flow. Hydrocephalus, water in the head. Hydronephrosis, water in the kidney. Ascites means water or fluid in the abdominal cavity. In the abdominal cavity there is fluid. Cirrhosis of liver. This is a degenerative disease which is replaced by fibrosis when healing takes place. And that tissue is non-functional. Fatty liver, too much fatty tissue accumulated in the liver. Horseshoe kidney. Lower pole of the kidney, two kidney are joined and look like a horseshoe. Congenital abnormality. Floating kidney. Kidney is moving. When patient is lying, the kidney moves up. When patient is standing, the kidney moves down. This is known as floating kidney because it is not properly fixed. Cataract, haziness of the lens of the eye, dimness of vision. Glaucoma, raised pressure in the eye. Normal pressure is 12 to 21 mm of water. If it is more than 21 mm of water, this is glaucoma and this is very painful. Patient come in the ER with the request to enucleate my eye. Hepatitis, infection of the liver, and there are 5 types of viruses that cause hepatitis A, B, C, D, E. Diverticula, it is outpouching from the wall of the large intestine. It may be single, it may be multiple. Diverticulosis. Polyp. Polyp is a small tumor that originates in the large intestine and comes out from the anus. This is a cause of bleeding per rectum, especially in small children. Myasthenia gravis. My muscle, asthenia, weakness, gravis, too much. Great. So, almost all the muscle of the body are weak. Leukorrhea, whitish discharge from the vagina. Paronychia, infection of the nail which lead to pus formation. Dermatomycosis, abnormal condition of fungus in the skin. Mammography, process of recording the breast. Biopsy, taking a small piece from the lesion to view under the microscope for diagnosis. Meningioma, tumor of the membrane that cover the brain and spinal cord. Meningitis, infection of the membrane that cover the brain and the spinal cord. Hysterosalpingography, process of recording the uterus and fallopian tube. Dacrocystitis, dacrysteer, cyst is bladder or sac, and itis infection of the tear sac. Otosclerosis, hardening, hard of hearing, or the hardening of the joints of the small bones that lie in the middle ear. Presbyopia, dimness of vision due to old age. Presby is old age. Presbycusis, is hearing. So hard of hearing due to old age. Hemopneumothorax. Hem is blood, neum is air, thorax is chest. So blood and air in the chest. This occurs during the roadside accident, bullet injury, and stab injury. Heart failure. The function of the heart is to pump the blood. If the heart cannot efficiently pump the blood in the body, this is known as heart failure. The failure of the any organ to do its function is that organ failure, liver failure or kidney failure or heart failure. Then they fail to perform their function effectively. This is known as the organ failure. So heart failure means inefficient pumping by the heart. Pulmonary edema. Edema is accumulation of fluid in somewhere, anywhere in the body. It is in the lungs, so it is known as pulmonary edema. Only edema, I told you already. Accumulation of fluid anywhere in the body. Hepatomegaly, enlargement of the liver. Nephromegaly, enlargement of the kidney. Neuralgia, pain in the nerves. Polyneuritis, infection of many nerves. Prenatal, before the delivery. Postnatal, after the delivery. Neonatal, 3 months after the delivery baby is known as neonate. Phlebotomy, cutting into the vein to remove the blood. Ovulation. The shedding of ova by the ovary is known as ovulation. This usually takes place 14 plus minus 1 day during the menstrual cycle. Ovulation, shedding of ova by the ovary. Conception, the joining of sperm with the ova is known as conception. Contraception devices or medicine are the devices to stop the pregnancy. Ectopic pregnancy. Normal place is inside the uterus. If it takes other places than uterus, it is known as ectopic pregnancy. It can occur in the tube, which is known as tubal pregnancy. It can occur in the abdominal cavity. Meningomyelocele. It is hernia. Cele is hernia of the covering and as well as of the spinal cord. Spinal cord along with the membrane that covers the spinal cord and membrane, they are herniated out. Myelography, process of recording the myelo, means spinal cord. Pyothorax, pi is pus, thorax is chest. So pus in the chest. Splenomegaly, enlargement of the spleen. Episiotomy, cutting into the perineum. Epiz is perineum, cutting into the perineum. Caesarean section. Abdominal wall is cut and then lies the uterus. Anterior wall of the uterus is cut and baby is delivered through this route. And Julius Caesar was the first baby to be delivered through this route That's why it is known as C-section. Oophorectomy, surgical removal of the ovary. Salpingitis, infection of the fallopian tube. Gastroenteritis, infection of the stomach as well as small intestine. Nephrolithiasis, state of or condition of stone in the kidney. Cholecystectomy, surgical removal of the gallbladder. Cystolithotomy, cutting into the urinary bladder to remove the stone. Cutting into the urinary bladder to remove the stone. Ureterolithotripsy. Ureter is ureter, lith is stone, trips is surgical crush. So surgical crushing of the stone that lies in the ureter. Pylolithotomy, cutting into the pelvis of the kidney. This is pelvis of the kidney, middle part of the kidney, to remove the stone. There is a stone inside the pelvis. Pylolithotomy, cutting into the pelvis to remove the stone. Laparotomy, lapar is abdominal wall, abdominal cavity. So cutting into the abdominal cavity. Pulmonectomy, surgical removal of the lung. Pneumonia, infection of the lung. Meningioma, tumor of the membrane that covers the brain or spinal cord. Encephalitis, infection of the brain. Encephal is brain. Meningitis, infection of the covering that covers the brain. So encephalitis, infection of the brain itself. Meningitis, infection of the membrane that covers the brain and spinal cord. That's about medical terms, important medical terms so far. I will continue with the leg structure.